Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga exciting things happening sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, paki-check nyo na lang. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So, let's see, Sag. Ano yung parating in the next 2 weeks? So, unahin natin yung Astro Dice. What's coming to Sagittarius? What's happening in the next 2 weeks? Mga exciting things happening. Okay, you have the 11th house. You have, this is Uranus in Leo. Okay, Uranus. Uranus is about unexpected things, mga major changes. And Leo energy here is like being in the center of attention, someone na parang very attractive, very bright, and also oozing with confidence. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong unexpected na leadership role in the next 2 weeks. Pwedeng ito sa school, sa trabaho ninyo, sa career path ninyo, sa business ninyo. And people will celebrate your achievements. Okay? Uranus can also be pagiging unique. So, I think you have unique talents na ma-showcase mo. And you know, with the 11th house here, ito yung group of people, ito yung community na kinabibilangan mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring sasali kayo sa isang community, sa isang grupo, and then you will get noticed, no? Kumbaga, mapapansin ka kaagad sa grupo na yan, whether sa trabaho yan, or sa career path, or kung ano man yung pinopursue ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng parang kung nasa social media kayo or you are into content creation, you will gain an unexpected support or increase ng followers ninyo. Na tipong bigla kayong may video na magba-viral, tapos makikilala kayo ng mas nakakaraming tao, or mafi-feature kayo sa TV, or may collaboration kayo with others na mas showcase nyo yung talents nyo, yung abilities ninyo. Wow. Okay. So, there's some sort of confidence sa inyo na talagang maaring nung mga nakaraan hindi mo akalain na kaya mong gawin. And now, mas meron ka ng lakas ng loob na i-pursue yun or gawin or to show the world dahil for some reasons na realize mo na kung ano yung kakayanan mo. You have Spider, Sea Star, and Rose. Okay. So, ang Spider, this is about trust, tiwala mo sa sarili mo. And also, pagiging precise. Yung kumbaga, meron kang project, meron kang ginagawa mo to ng maayos, flawless, na hindi yung tipong, pwede na yan. Or, okay na yan, ganon. So, for some of you talagang, ano man yung talent mo, yung skill set mo, ima-master mo siya. At ikaw ay makikilala dahil doon sa abilidad mo na yon. You get my point? Okay? So, halimbawa, ang iyong expertise ay nasa pagluluto. Okay? So, ima-master mo yung cuisine na mga dishes na gusto mo na kung saan ka mas makikilala. 'Di ba? And yung tipong walang ibang nakakagawa niyan kundi ikaw. So you will be celebrated. People will recognize your talents, your skill set. So it can apply sa kahit na anong kakayanan, abilidad. Okay? So example lang naman 'yon. And Spider is also about innovation, no? So this makes sense kasi itong Uranus energy is about a person na very innovative, na ito yung tipong merong bagay na isang simpleng bagay na nagsimula at through the years or after a few times, biglang meron pa palang igaganda, ikagagaling, i-improve, 'di ba? So this is also a certain upgrade na gagawin mo. This can be upgrade sa career, sa trabaho mo, or sa yung kakayanan, sa yung abilities, 'di ba? Kasi ngayon sa technology, nag-upgrade naman talaga lahat na yung alam mo ngayon na expertise mo, pwedeng magbago yan in the next 2 years kasi may mga bagong changes, no, pagdating sa technology. Okay? You also have the C-star. C-star is about your elegance and also healthy instinct. So I see you focusing on taking care of your health, yung kalusugan mo. And syempre, pag malusog ang isang tao, maganda ang takbo ng kanyang kalusugan, marami siyang ma-achieve, marami siyang kayang gawin. Okay? Rose is also about your love para sa sarili mo. This is about being open-hearted. So for some of you, if you are kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng isang relationship, as long as you are open to receiving love, merong darating para sa'yo. Pwedeng unexpected itong pagdating na to sa'yo. Okay, so be more open. Siyempre, with precaution rin, hindi naman lahat tatanggapin mo kung saan ka lang magre-resonate. And if you feel like, there's certain connection sa'yo with this person, bakit hindi mo subukan, 'di ba? You have the Queen of Pentacles, so this is having stability in your finances, in your career. This is also pagiging good provider So in the next 2 weeks, ano man yung needs, pangangailangan ng family mo, pangangailangan mo, ng mga mahal mo sa buhay, you will be able to provide for that. You have the Sun. The Sun is about your confidence. This really makes sense with Leo energy here. Meron kang sparkle, kumbaga ikaw ay kumikinang in your own right, kumbaga people will start to notice you na ang ganda na nangyayari sa iyo, or parang mas nagiging blooming ka. And some of you will also be very busy, marami kang mga ipupursu pa sa buhay mo. Pwedeng ito ay multiple sources of income, or busy ka sa career mo, and at the same time naaalagaan mo rin yung family mo. Wow, you have the Death card, which is about transformation, major change in your life. So I think itong exciting na happening sa'yo in the next 2 weeks is life-changing. Maaring may magbabago sa direksyon ng buhay mo. You are going to pursue your heart's desires, or yung iyong pangarap talaga na like what you really want in your life. Wow. You have the Emperor. So Emperor is being in control of your destiny. This is also someone na established na sa buhay. So in the next 2 weeks, meron kang may establish sa sarili mo. Pwedeng meron kang mga mabibiling properties or mga bagay na sa tingin mo kapag nabili mo yon or nakuha mo yon, masasabi mo na accomplished ka na. Oo. So yung iba nga sa inyo, maaring meron ding leadership role sa inyo. If nagtatrabaho ka sa barko, sa ship, yan, sa cruise ship, I see na may pagtaas ng ranggo, no? May pagtaas ng posisyon sa trabaho. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are wanting na makapag-abroad, there is also an opportunity for you para makapag-abroad. You have Gentleman and then Crossroads. So some of you, meron kayong major na pagdidesisyonan. Pwede itong trabaho, no? Na tipong pipiliin mo aling trabaho or aling career yung pipiliin mo. Yung iba kasi rito, merong opportunity to work abroad or pwedeng sa sea, no? Pwede maging seaman, seafarer. So, kailangan mo tong pagdesisyonan ng maigi, no? Para hindi mo siya pagsisihan. Mari-reveal naman sa'yo anytime soon whatever you need to know, no? And I think this is something na parang actually yung magiging decision mo rito unexpected siya kasi pwedeng hindi ito inaasahan ng iba sa'yo, pero yun yung mararamdaman mo na kailangan mong piliin. You have Villain. You can always rewrite the story. Yes. So, if merong sitwasyon sa buhay mo na hindi mo gusto, or gusto mong baguhin, meron ka talagang kakayanan na baguhin yan. Kailangan lang you take action. Minsan sabihin natin, dahil sabihin na mag-take ng action. yeah, madali talagang sabihin. So, kung kaya mo siyang sabihin, ibig sabihin, kaya mo rin siyang gawin. 'Di ba? Oo. Minsan, kailangan lang nating magsimula muli, no? Kumbaga, kung alam mong parang wala nang patutunguhan yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, you can always start all over again and create a new path, bagong landas para sa iyo. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.